because I got a feeling this one is not a big one. Caught him right off the edge of that dip. Oh my goodness. Here's what we got going on in this video. It is the first tournament of the year, Tackle Shack Kayak Series on Houston County Lake. We do believe that the lake is doing extremely well right now. I think it's going to be a good bite for everybody. We're going to try some boat ramp camping. My buddy swears it's all right to do it. We're going to try to make this as cheap as possible. And if I get scared and chickened out, don't be surprised if I do, then I'll go buy me an overpriced camping spot at the dadgum little resort marina there. It's ridiculous, man. When I asked them, the reason I don't have a spot is I called them, they wanted $48 a night for just a standard site with water and electricity hookup. Yeah, I'm gonna pay it. It's ridiculous. Like $35 is kind of my limit. I think that's too high. I like camping in state parks for $10 or $25, $30 max a night, or for free. So we'll see y'all when we get there. There's some rules. All right, so we made it to the Houston County public boat ramp. I don't know, with all these tractors and stuff here, how smart it would be, so I'm leaning chickening out about sleeping at the ramp. I ain't gonna lie, maybe some other time. But we're gonna get the yak set up, and then we're gonna get out there and practice us a little bass fishing. All right, so we just launched for practice. We're trying out this new KastKing Zephyr. All right, it's a BFS reel. I can tell you the biggest pointer is dial this thing down as stiff as possible. And I put just a tad bit too much line. That don't help neither with these things. But yeah, these rods are amazing. Look at all them underneath this. All right. And we got one on. I got my drag set a little too loose, because I got a feeling this one is not a big one. Caught him right off the edge of that dip. Oh my goodness. I was wrong. This one's a tank. Holy moly. Alright. And then my drag set just perfect now. Quit flopping, quit flopping. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing this? God just passed me too. Doing the look around, looky-loo. Really, it's just barely hooked, but in that bone real good. All right. Oh my goodness, dude. I don't have a board. But if I lay her down, she touches the edge of that, and my shoe touching the other side. What a beast. You fish this, you catch this. How about baby? All right, there you go. Yes, sir.
this way a little bit. It's just a spot, but it's actually a pretty good spot. 15.5, 16. We got some bag going out. 2 decent keepers. That was off the end of the first duck. And I landed that sucker smooth. I ain't got that. Want him to get it. Yeah, a little spot, little 15. Hey, bud. Play again tomorrow, por favor.
Alright, we just got off of the water. A little bit of practice. We got the battery charging up. We're going to recharge this battery. A little HEB fruit or snap. I don't know what I'm going to do for camping out. I think I really want to stay here, but see all that equipment out there? That's making me nervous. Because it would be a great spot for sure. But there's not a sign that says no camping. There is a sign that says the boat ramp is only to be used for launching and loading boats. I don't know if they consider this whole thing a boat ramp or what. We're gonna sit here and eat a little bit of fruit, drink some tea, soak up the rest of the sun, UV power as much as we can. We're charging the AC 180 Blue Eddy. I forgot to leave it plugged in to charge off of my solar panels while I was out there, so when I got back it was at 73%. I'm hoping we can get at least to 90. I'm not worried about running out of battery. We got 300 amp eco-worthy battery. It's still sitting at 100%. So we're gonna be able to run the air conditioner all night long, no problem. And we're gonna be comfortable. We just don't know where we gotta be comfortable at. That's what we're trying to figure out. My birthday and I got big old gallon jug. Keep my tea in. My neighbor was actually cooking. I got an awesome Blackstone grill down there for my birthday and didn't use it. Was pumped to use it and didn't use it since he was using the charcoal, so I asked if he'd mind if I threw them on there. But all right, so that's what it's for dinner tonight. Some HEB hamburger pre-seasoned buns and some cornbread, and I got some fruit to snack on. We're going to dig into it. Now we're organized. My leftover trash out. I got the old bed made-ish behind me. It wouldn't be up to can't make outdoor standards, but and then coffee prepped. Fan. I don't know if I think I am going to run that air conditioner. Who am I kidding? Have a glass of tea, brush my teeth. Fan running tonight. Alright, I had a great night's sleep last night. It's about 4:45. We got the coffee going. Probably just going to have a little bit of fruit for breakfast and then get ready to get on the water. So we'll see y'all then. But man, dude, my little, where to sit it down at? I didn't even run the air conditioner last night. I just run my little A little low flashlight here. Like the champ didn't get bothered. Looked like we had one other camper show up in the middle of the night. That's it. All right, it's not too bad. Launch was at 6:07. We on the water. Lines in at 6:30. I forgot my camera, so it's going to be phone and my Meta glasses is all I'm going to be able to record today. But sweet, let's get on it. The water is slick, calm. Our starting point's only not even 5 minutes, so we could have been the last to launch and still been okay. I don't think he's gonna keep. That's like my 5th one, and probably the biggest one so far, to be honest with you. Got another small one, and we just can't, and they got it. These little bitty spots, dude. Nope. Maybe, bud. It's been all day. 12 inches. There you go. Come on, baby. Oh, I don't think he's a keeper either. Where'd he go? He's getting better, though. We've caught a lot of fish. Not worth any size, but yeah, I don't know. So it's like 12 and a half. I'm checking just because I'm still skunked. No, a little better, 13 and a quarter. So we're getting there. First keeper. We are finally on the board. Alright, well, that tournament's over. We didn't do so well. Tons of fish. Wasn't able to record 90% of them. We did end up scratching out an actual limit, so finished 74 inches. I don't know, man. I'll be amazed if we're in the top half, but it did sound like people struggling. But yeah, this camping trip here is over. We're gonna load up, sit here and hydrate, eat some of that fruit, and head to the house. Appreciate y'all tuning in.